insects, butterfly, ladybug, bee, ant, grasshopper, dragonfly, beetle, caterpillar, mosquito, spider, wasp, moth. Insects. Part 2. Cockroach, fly, cricket, praying mantis, termite, flea, cicada, bedbug, dung beetle, stink bug, hornet, louse.
Adjectives with able and ible.
Edible, potable, visible, audible, tangible, legible, doable, countable, portable, flexible, sustainable, inevitable.
Household tools. Saw, plane, hammer, screwdriver, drill, wrench, pliers, tape measure, level, utility knife, paintbrush, toolbox,
Sea creatures. Shark, sea turtle, ray, dolphin, seahorse, jellyfish, blue whale, starfish, walrus, crab, squid, octopus, swordfish, seal, tuna.
Sea creatures. Part 2. Shrimp, clownfish, sperm whale, hammerhead shark, pufferfish, hermit crab, sea otter, orca, moray eel, flying fish, lionfish, sawfish, barracuda, sea lion, oyster, birds, eagle, stork, kiwi, penguin, pelican, hawk, vulture, owl, swan, dove, parrot, crow, flamingo, ostrich, hummingbird, around town, restaurant, library, museum, police station, airport, bank, post office, hospital, bar, factory, hotel, nightclub, church, park, theater. Kitchen vocabulary. Part 2. Grater, whisk, cleaver, knife sharpener, corkscrew, scoop, masher, meat tenderizer, garlic press, can opener, wok, sieve, accessories, scarf, hat, cap, gloves, belt, purse, necklaces, bracelets, earrings, cufflinks, handkerchief, bow tie, hairband, sunglasses, wallet.
Food, sausage, fried egg, milk, sugar, butter, cheese, chicken, rice, bread, chocolate, fish, salad, honey, ice cream, waffles,
Crimes. Murder. Pickpocketing. Arson. Kidnapping. Cybercrime. Rape. Shoplifting. Robbery. Bribery. Burglary. Vandalism. Assault. Harassment. Carjacking. Poaching.
Nuts and dried fruit, almond, walnut, cashew, pistachio, peanut, hazelnut, raisin, date, apricot, fig, prune, cranberry, pecan, Brazil nut, pine nut,
stationery, stapler, ruler, highlighter, eraser, clipboard, pencil sharpener, pencil, correction fluid, sticky notes, hole punch, paper clips, files, adhesive tape, envelope, pen,